Hey guys, it's Beauty with Beauty is Slime. Today, I actually made this pre-made so I could get to the video faster, if that makes sense. So in this video, I added just a glue bottle. I used Elmer's, but it can also be any washable glue basically. And then I added 1 teaspoon, or 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I also added in, it says 1/4 a cup of water. So I just added all of that in. And then you will also need Tide. And then this is the texture. It's actually, you're supposed to use shaving cream, but I sadly ran out. So you can also substitute it for foam soap. And I added 1 cup of that, and then it made this really nice texture. It's not very tacky, but it's stretchy-ish. But I really like playing with this one because it feels like a marshmallow's been melted on my fingers. Okay, so my next slime I will be showing you is actually a slime that also has Tide, because I love using Tide as an activator, but it takes Tide, and then I also use, in the video, I also use glue. So I'm going to pull that up for you. So this, I used the same spoon, sorry, it's the same spoon that I just used in my other video. And then I just stirred it a little. And then this is actually after a couple of minutes of stirring. But do you see all this excess Tide and stuff? So I wouldn't add a lot, but it's actually fun to play with. I would actually recommend this a lot because it's only a 2-step slime. And that's really good in my book, because you know how some slimes take baking soda or baking powder and then blah blah blah, everything. They take a whole bunch of stuff. This one doesn't, and I really like that about this. So after you let it set for a few days, it actually gets darker, and this is what it actually looks like. I'm going to keep it in the bag just because I would not want a real big mess for me to clean up. So that is all I have today, guys. Please give me a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thank you.